Corey Dutko here with Dutko Reagan Homes and Investments, and I wanted to show you one of our newest projects here in Alexandria. It's kind of deceiving actually. It looks like kind of a small Cape Cod, a rambler from the outside, but it's actually pretty big. It's going to be 5 beds, 4 baths, about 3,000 square feet. Great location. We're actually walking distance to the Potomac River and also GW Parkway. Excited to show you the progress. Come in and check it out. Alright, so as you can see, we're under construction. Please excuse the mess. Wanted to show you these cabinets because it's pretty rare, but one of the first times we've done this is we're actually going to repurpose these cabinets. They were all handcrafted and hand built in place by a custom carpenter by the previous owner, and they're really nice quality, actually better quality than you get today buying them from a cabinet supplier. So we're going to repurpose them. We're going to sand them all down, strip them down, paint them white with a nice gray island peninsula here, all new hardware, and really update this kitchen. And as you can see here, on the floor, the subfloor is getting pulled up because we blew out this wall. Like a lot of these old homes built in the 50s and 60s, we had a ton of bedrooms and really compartmentalized living space, really not enough living space for the size of this house. So what we did here is completely blew out this wall. You can see all these wires here, recessed lighting going in, and now this is going to be a much more open, casual kitchen, family room, dining space that flows out here to our screened-in porch or kind of 3-season room. Just a much better flow and a lot less formal. Excited to show you the finished product. Stay tuned. We'll be back for more. Hey guys, so we're standing here in the owner's suite, and what I wanted to show you is how you can take an old bedroom and a half bath in some of these older homes and create a true kind of owner's retreat or suite out of it. So if you can see to my right here, we actually stole some space from a secondary bedroom, which was already a good size second or kid's bedroom, and we made kind of a big 8-foot closet there, and we relocated what was the master closet here on this side of the room, which gave you a bigger squared off master suite as well as a full bath. So you can see here this wall went away and we gave some of this room back to the bedroom itself, and then we also brought some of that space into a full owner's full bath with his and her vanities. So if you come around here, you'll kind of get an idea. You can see some of this old framing, excuse the mess in here, but we're going to have dual vanities, big open toilet area, and a walk-in shower, which is so much bigger than what was here before. And if you can see some of this old framing, we actually got this space by taking it from a linen closet and also part of the hall bath. So just a little trick where you can get a full owner's suite in here when you're dealing with these old houses. Stay tuned and we'll show you the finished product. So by finishing out the entire basement, we now have a 5th bedroom, a 4th full bath, a great hangout room or rec room for the family, as well as a true walk-in laundry room. And this basement is so large, we're actually even able to keep some great storage space, which is tucked away around the corner of the stairs there, as you'll see. So this is going to be a great space for a large family. Total of 5 beds, 4 baths, and this is really a great additional living space that we'll be able to create by expanding this basement out. Stay tuned. We're starting paint this week, and we'll be putting the finishing touches on this basement over the next couple of weeks. Come check us out.